Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use the BlueSynthesizer. First of all, I have already shared you this folder with you. So in the Bluetooth emulator texture, BlueSynthesizer, you will see a couple of folders. The first folder is the setup file. In the setup, for the first time that you want to run the program, run the setup file and it will install the program and all of the required components for you. For the next version, because I will release some updates for you, you will need to replace the original version with these files that I have gave you in your installation folder, or you can simply just run it from here. Now I'm assuming that you have already installed the program, replaced the version with and upgraded to the latest version, and you just simply run the program. So when I run the program, I can create a new project or open my previous project. I will create a new project and I will go to my test folder and I will create my test uh, my test project. The extension of the file is ZBS. I will press save. My first step in creating any Bluetooth simulation is that I will go and define um, my detectors. So according to I have already recorded the location of detectors in my vsim file. Here is I will input it. I will put it here. So my first detector, the coordinates are like this one. The second one is like this one. My third one is and the last vector that I have is 645 minus 3263. And I will press OK to save. If I don't like it, I will press cancel and it won't save the file. So I will go and open the affluent simulation. So in previous step, I defined my Bluetooth detectors. I can run it for multiple files. I can just browse for my output of my vsim. I need to have my access file. If you have the FZP, you can read the you can go and visit the tutorial for the conversion of FZP to access file. So I will select this file. I choose my table that is related to my trajectory. I may have more than one table. Here's the only table that I have, and that's the name of the table. Here I can select the record extra information. When I press the record extra information, it will record all of the Bluetooth trajectories and if the detection happens for them or not. The random seed, if I want to have a totally random run on all of my simulation, I can press 0. If I want to check my results for a specific random seed, I can simply just enter the random seed here. Then I can press the synthesize Bluetooth detection and the program will load the data and will simulate the Bluetooth process. It will take a few maybe seconds or minutes, it depends on the file size in your computer, and it will run for you. So my program is finishing the simulation. So the simulation has been finished already. So I can just go and simply press show results and it will show me the two charts. Then on the left I have the true dual time of vehicles, Bluetooth enabled vehicle in the vicinity of my Bluetooth detection versus my Bluetooth dual time. If you don't need it, don't worry about this one. This is for some of the advanced analysis of the Bluetooth detection. I can filter it based on my detector, and I can filter it based on the movements, and I can simply do that one. Or I can just select all and all here. If I move my mouse over each of these points, it will show me the vehicle number. If I click here, it will show the trajectory of that vehicle for me. I can change the vehicle from here. I can zoom to any of these charts by just pressing my left click and just clicking a box and it will zoom. I can use my mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out. Um, on the other hand, I can go and open my access file As you can see now in your file, you will see more than one table. You can see the connector table, you can see the detection, and you can see the random cars and raw detection and the trips. So here is the output of the file. If I have more output with the same network, which usually happen, you can get the output of this system from the vSIM and just put it here. Just one clarification here in results, you may see the errors here, the error values here. So if you select and apply this one, these are the vehicles which vSIM did not finish their trajectories. It means that when you stop the simulation, the vSIM will stop the simulation at a certain time, and some of the vehicles are in the middle of network and they did not finish their movement in the intersection or in vicinity of your Bluetooth detector. So basically, if I click here, you will see that, okay, the vehicle went to the location of the detector, but it didn't finish the movement. So, and there was no records to finish the Bluetooth detections. So the program will recognize them error uh, as the error vehicles. You can click and see these vehicles here, and you will see that how they are look like and how is their detection process.